Station.
Just pulled up to the meet. Marby's car. Oh God. One day. Sheesh. This is sick. Damn. Giving me ideas. That's 2000 on Rega Masters with the CR wing. Oof. See, I need to start doing shit like this and putting signs like it's getting painted, because you know people will be like, "Yo, what's up with your front bumper, bro?" Gonna try to start this up.
It ain't gonna start. It started. It's just a
bitch to hit it.
Yeah, it's a bitch to fucking do it. Cause we have a brand new starter. He gave us a new starter because he needs to start.
Swap that shit.
Cause I wanted to drive his shit too nuts.
Yeah. Yeah, they're actually parting this car out. Right now they're moving it out so that way they can get this car out of here, because this car is getting taken away. They already stripped everything. You guys already know I took the trunk. They still have the interior. If anyone needs the interior from this car, they have it still. Very, very mint. But like I was saying before, they're about to move this car out so that way they can drop this car down to roll it out, because someone's supposed to come and pick it up. But like I said, they do have, I want to say headers, it's not headers, it's header for the car. They also have the high-tech exhaust. They got a couple things, but about to help him move the car out real quick. You don't need to turn the steering wheel?
Yeah, you want to get into the car? Matter of fact, this is the fucking light. Yeah, get into it. Get it out, push it. Shit done right. Anything this shit was. Wipe this window down, so. Yes. Yeah, you good. Hit the brakes, hit the brakes. Go, cut it. Hold on, let me. Hold on. I'm gonna push it forward. Go forward and then go close to that, alright? I'm gonna push it forward. There we go. Oh, look what? Huh? Look what? Put it straight. Put it straight. Yeah. Straight. Cut the other way. This way. This way. I cut all the way. Not all the way, but like all that. Yeah. Cut a little, come on. Alright, hold it right there. Cut. Hit the brake. Hold the brake. Yeah. Pretty good. Alright, go ahead. Lay the brakes. Here. Slow. Cut all the way.
Clutch popping 101. Oh,
hold on, not reverse. Hold up. I'll push it back. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna give you a little space.
Car won't start.
That's the only good thing about manual cars.
Word.
Alright, I'm gonna push you forward.
Alright, let's see if I can get it. Ah, it's not doing it. Got it. Shit wants to die so bad. He about to take it around the block. Yep. The hybrid shifter is fucking crazy. Oh, come on. He stopped it. That's why I had to fucking rev it out like that. Word. Nice. Like I said, guys, they parting this out. So whatever you want, you contact them. I'll put their names down on the screen below. All done. I was able to cop a little O2 sensor though. Never know when you might need this. Haha, why so serious, GTR? Huh? Shit. You guys see MP's new setup? He has the 2020 fenders on here now. Oof. That boy got money. Ah. This is where all the S2Ks are made of. One S2K. GTR down there. Another S2K. One more S2K. FRS. Then you got Mark over here, interior work. He said he's gonna create me a shift boot today, we'll see. Looking at some materials. I don't know if I want to do red though. So I ended up going with the red bride material for the shift boot. So if you guys need any shift boots, make sure you hit up MD Interiors, because you're gonna see the outcome of this in a little second.
Yeah, just answers that.
Oh, nice, right? New shift boot. That new setup. Ooh. Got the armrest.
Still the details.
That red stitching. Perforated. Nice. Is this Alcantara on the side? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oof. It's literally like remaking my Civic Si all over again. Make sure I got my key. I don't know what I did with the key. But it feels like I'm remaking my Si all over again. Yeah, I got it. So the previous owner broke the armrest, not Mark, the previous owner. I knew this already because when I first got the car, the center console kind of had like a funny feel to it when I tried to push it back into place. But we're gonna see if we could get it off. That way we can use the material. Did you bring the material? Or you have to glue it?
What?
You have to glue it?
I gotta glue it.
What about the shift boot? You didn't bring the shift boot.
No, I do it inside.
Oh. Are you gonna staple it?
No, I gotta glue it.
That's
Like, watch. Like, see? Look.
Boom. Good. So it could come off, told you. You guys previously seen this guy on Dustin Williams' channel doing the steering wheel. But you guys know where you saw him first. Right? Right. So the shift boot is pretty easy to take off. Once you take the shift knob off, you pop this plastic off and then it comes off. And all you have to do is remove these screws here and you're good money. I know because I've done this about 100 times. But like I said, the previous owner, he wrapped this, but on my last Civic, I actually had like a carbon overlay trim for it and it was pretty sick. And you're already seeing the freshness of it. Oof.
That's it. Oh yeah, hell.
I see.
Glue it.
This is the old one, all faded out, rubbed up. Time to let it go.
Post intense. I do like it. I like the intensity.
Yeah. Woo! It's like I was bouncing off that carbon feed ray. Alright, so now he's just placing back the under piece so that way the fabric doesn't move and it stays in the spot and you just screw it back in. Because this is how the center console is able to glide back and forth. Added a nice little touch. New K20 shift knob paired with the bride and the armrest. Oh my god. Already interior is coming along. So now all I have to do is take off the door cards so that way we could do the door panels next. He just didn't have enough time today to do it, so I'm gonna take it off probably either the weekend or maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Also guys, like I'm telling you, bro, and sisters and brothers and cousins and whatever, I have a lot in store. I just picked up one of the last pieces to the puzzle. Something's already installed in the car. You guys don't even know. You're probably not even paying attention to it. But it's been installed already. I just haven't put the video out for you guys. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put this video out first. But like I said, I wanna save some of this content that I'm doing so that way when Vlogmas hits Christmas next month, couple like a week or so away. Well, December's like a week or so away. I'm gonna be shredding the channel, bro. Alright? Right now, taking my time, you know, getting my thoughts together, getting ready to really thug it out. But like I said, I have a lot in store. I just picked up one more piece to the puzzle. You guys don't even know what's about to happen. You know what I mean? But just know your boy got the new interior pieces. You know what I mean? Gotta get some new seats soon. I do have some seats in mind, and it's not what you guys think. But we got a lot to do, bro. So I'm about to go inside, call it a night. I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog here. If I don't, then you'll see me in the morning time. If I do, then I'm gonna end it at night. We'll see. But I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna end it now. But I'm about to go inside. I'll catch you guys in a little bit.